guys, what's up? So in my previous video I shown you how you can get this beautify filter on TikTok, and if you didn't see those videos you can go to my YouTube and you can search for beauty filter TikTok. These videos are available both in English. The English one is with 379 likes and the Hindi one is with 111 likes, but still some of you told me that you are not able to use this filter. So I have an alternate for you, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use that one. So let's go. Okay, so this is the app we are going to use. Let me go to Play Store and I'll show you the app. So this is the app. Let's open the app. When you open this, you will see beauty. Tap on it and you will see two options, beauty and makeup. So let's check beauty first. So in beauty you have different options. First one is face. Tap on it and you will see different kind of face, natural, slim, baby, beauty. Tap on them and adjust. Okay, likewise. Then you have option for skin. You can smooth your skin. Pore. Increase the brightness, you can enlarge the eyes. So I'll not be going in deep, I'll just give you what features are here. So you can play with your nose, you can play with your face. Likewise, if you compare with TikTok, there are lots of options here in this app. Take your time and check them all. Forehead, clarity, likewise you can increase your thickness of eyebrow, you can lift your eyebrows. There are lots of options to play with your nose. And with lips. And even you can whiten your teeth. Likewise. And when you exit app and come back again, you will see all the features you edited. Let's go to beauty and you have option here, on and off. You can off to get to the original. Beauty on, and whatever you edited you will see this. If any time you want to reset it, at the bottom of the screen you can see reset button. You can tap there and you can reset. Then here you have makeup option also. Here in makeup also you can adjust your contour. You can use blush. You can change your lip color, eye color. Eye color is not so visible. Eyebrows. Eyelashes. Likewise, you can play with them and you can adjust like you want. And if any time you want to reset, you can tap on the reset button to reset. So that's it, guys. This is the alternate for TikTok beauty. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.